Hello and welcome back. This is Junhua from TCM Explained. So far we covered the TCM theory of Qi, Yin-Yang, and the 5 elements. These theories are the core of TCM and they are the foundation of the majority of the things we will be discussing in the future. So if you have not finished watching the last 3 videos, now is the good time to go back to finish them before watching this one. And check out our blog for more study notes. Now we are going to start our new topic, the 5 vital substances, starting from essence. In our body, Qi manifests in varying degrees of material density, so they end up having different forms and functions. In TCM, there are different manifestations of Qi called vital substances. As we can see from the name, they are vital to us. Especially essence is the most precious substance in our body. It has the connotation of something refined from a core substance, which should be cherished and not be wasted. That is because compared to Qi, essence is fluid-like yin substance that transforms slowly over a long time. There are 3 types of essence: pre-heaven essence, post-heaven essence, and kidney essence. Pre-heaven essence is given from our parents and it determines our constitution and vitality. The yang aspect of pre-heaven essence is also called the fire of the gate of life, or minister fire, and it accumulates at the acupuncture point Du4, which is located on the back, the yang side of the body. On the other hand, the yin aspect of pre-heaven essence accumulates at the acupuncture point Ren4, which is located on the belly, the yin side of the body. So pre-heaven essence has 2 parts, yin and yang. Yin essence provides the material substance for the transformation of Qi. Yang fire of the gate of life provides the motive force and warmth for yin essence. When you hear the word pre-heaven essence, you should be automatically thinking of kidney, because kidney is known as the root of the pre-heaven essence. Yang fire of the gate of life and yin essence both are closely related to the kidneys. As a side note, the fire of gate of life is also known as the root of the pre-heaven Qi and the foundation for original Qi, because fire and Qi are relatively young when compared to essence. We will learn more about the original Qi in the next video. We have pre-heaven essence, we also have post-heaven essence. The spleen and stomach are responsible for extracting nutrition from food and drinks and forming essence called post-heaven essence. For this reason, the spleen and stomach are known as the root of the post-heaven essence. Lastly, there is kidney essence. Kidney essence is the combination of pre-heaven essence and post-heaven essence. We inherit pre-heaven essence from our parents, so there's not much we can do about it, but we can replenish our kidney essence with the essence from food and drinks, which is the post-heaven essence. Kidney essence is the organic substances that are in charge of growth and development, including sexual maturation, conception, pregnancy, and reproduction. For instance, in childhood, kidney essence controls growth of bones, teeth, hair, brain, and sexual maturation. After puberty, kidney essence controls the reproductive functions and fertility. And as kidney essence declines, there will be aging, loss of teeth and hair, menopause, infertility, and impairment of cognitive functions. Let's shift gears and discuss about something called 3 treasures. 3 treasures refer to essence, Qi, and mind. They are the members of vital substances along with blood and body fluids, but they are given more attention because of their importance in our physiology. In our first video, we learned that Qi of heaven and earth are in constant exchange, and human is in between them as a part of their transformation. So our body resonates with the whole universe, and we should understand our body as a microcosm of the whole universe. Scholars back then observed the nature, tried to figure out the law of regulation, and applied what they learned to everything, including medicine, politics, warfare, and so on. So they believed how our body works must resemble how the universe works. Heaven is very young, so it's on top. Earth is very yin, so it's on bottom. In between these two is human in a balanced state. We can apply this diagram to our body. The heart is the fire organ, which is very young, so we put it here. The kidneys are the water organ, which is very yin, so we put it here. Heaven and earth continuously interact with each other, so do the heart fire and kidneys water. And the spleen, the earth organ, is a center or mediator, so we put it here. Now this looks a lot like the axis part of the circular diagram we saw before. As we know, essence is stored in the kidneys. The kidneys are the root of the pre-heaven essence. The spleen and stomach are known as the root of the post-heaven essence, and they are responsible for the qi, or the energy that can be replenished on a daily basis, unlike essence. And according to the theory of the 5 elements, mind belongs to fire, housed by the heart. Keep in mind that even though 3 treasures are in a different form, they are different manifestations of qi. That is to say, they are one qi, but they all have become different things after qi transformation. So we drew this diagram to show the 3 treasures are closely related. Also, because essence is the yin substance, it can serve as a material foundation for immaterial substance such as qi or mind. Although qi is more rarefied than essence, it is still more material compared to mind. So qi can be the material foundation for mind as well. So healthy mental state, referred to as mind, comes from a good foundation of essence and qi. As a side note, essence produces marrow, which fills and nourishes the spinal cord and brain. In this video, we learned the 3 types of essence. We learned the involvement of kidney essence in different stages of life, and the relationship of essence, qi, and mind, the 3 treasures. I hope this video was informative. In the next video, we are going to learn about the second vital substance, qi.